Hey there, it's Amelia bringing you another Microsoft PowerPoint video. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to change colors, the color theme, and backgrounds in your presentation. Let's get started. So I have a sample template open. This is PowerPoint 2016. And to find this particular template, you can search in File, New, and enter Nature Ecology Presentation. So let's say you wanted to change the background color. So this particular template has a white background, but these steps will apply to any presentation where you're looking to change the color in the background. To get started, you could right-click on a thumbnail and select Format Background. You can also right-click on the slide itself and select Format Background. Format Background is also available in the Design tab over here on the right. However, in 2007 and 2010, there's one extra step to get to Format Background. You have to select Background Styles first from the Design tab and then select Format Background. So once you select Format Background, starting in PowerPoint 2013, a Format Background pane displays on the right. In earlier versions of PowerPoint, a Format Background dialog box displays. So the options are pretty much the same though in the pane and in the earlier dialog box. So if you wanted to change the color, it's set for solid fill, and I'll go back to a couple of these other ones in a moment, but to just change for a solid color, you can just go ahead and click on the color drop down and select a different color. You could also select more colors, and additional colors will come up and you can select from this palette. You can also select custom and enter in the RGB number for a particular color. And also what you can do is in the drop down in color, starting in 2013, there's the Eyedropper, which I absolutely love. And the Eyedropper would let you, once you click on it, you'll see that along with your mouse pointer now, well actually instead of an arrow, is a little eyedropper. And then you can select, just mouse over and select a color from any image anywhere that you could see. So if I wanted to select like a blue color, I can just point to the blue in this ocean here and click, and then it would change to that particular color. Now I'm going to undo that for a moment and just show you a couple other options. While I'm here, instead of solid fill, if you decided you wanted gradient fill, you can select gradient fill, and depending on the template, it will automatically give you a range of colors, and you can change the gradient stops here and change the color, and then that would affect the gradient color in the background. You could also select picture or texture fill. You can also select pattern fill, and the color will depend on the template. And for instance, if I select one of these, you'll see that it has a pattern, and so on and so forth. Now once you have selected your color or your gradient or your texture background, for instance, to save your new color background, you have two options. You could either click on the upper right to apply the change to the current slide. Now in earlier versions of PowerPoint, there's also a close button, and you can click close or X. Or if you want to apply this background change to all slides, click apply to all, and then you'll instantly see in the thumbnails that the background has been applied to all the slides, and then you can just go ahead and close the Format Background pane on the right when you're finished. Okay, and next let's review how to change the color theme for all slides. In video number 6, I show how to change the color theme using the Slide Master. Another option is to pick an alternate color theme from the Design menu. So from any slide, just go ahead and click on the Design tab. And in newer versions of PowerPoint, you don't have to click. You can just glide over, hover over the different designs. And what's nice is it will just instantly show you what it's going to look like. And then when you find one you like, just go ahead and click on it, and that will change the theme throughout your presentation for all your slides. Now some themes have variants. This particular one does have variants, as you could see, and you can just hover over and see how that looks. And if you decide you want to change it, you can just go ahead and click, and that would change the theme on all your slides. So before we end the video, just a few tips that if you're starting a presentation, once you enter content on several slides, if you decide you want to change the theme, change it early on, because sometimes when you change a design theme, text and images will move around. This depends on the placement of the placeholders on the individual slide layouts in each template. If you do decide to change a theme, what you could do is make a backup copy of your file first, just in case too many changes occur, or remember you can always click undo with Control-Z if you don't like the theme change. And remember about the Slide Master, when using templates, you can customize slides including template layouts by making changes in the Slide Master as well. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or question below. If you like this video, please click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.